An update now on the latest in the Gurugram shooting of a judge's family. The gunman who was arrested yesterday has now been sent to police custody for 4 long days. The accused was arrested from Faridabad by the Gurugram police. Now remember, the additional Sessions Court judge's wife and son were shot at by the gunman yesterday, the gunman in fact was a personal security guard of the judge, after which in fact the wife succumbed to her injuries in the early hours of the morning today. The son is said to be still battling for his life in a hospital. My colleague Kangana Sachdeva is now joining us on the phone line with the details. Kangana, so the accused of course now being remanded 4 days of custody, but have the police been able to make any headway in finding out what prompted this shooting?
Well, yes, Viren, there's breaking news that is coming in from Gurugram, where this gunman, who was the main suspect in the case, who shot at the wife and the son of the additional Session Court judge, he has been given 4 days of police custody, and he was produced in in front of the magistrate and the local court of Gurugram and mini secretariat, where he's been given 4 days of police custody. Also, to look into the matter, there was investigation and raids carried out in his residence in Gurugram late in the night, which had revealed that he was facing depression and psychological problems, because of which he had also, fought with the wife a few minutes back before he shot at her, and then he had the wife had succumbed to the injuries in the hospital last night in Medanta after receiving 2 bullets, one in the right shoulder and one in the lower abdomen, because of which she succumbed to her injuries. The son is still battling for his life in the ICU. He's had 2 surgeries since last night, and he's still critical. This is what we are getting as the latest update. Back to you, Viren.
Right. Thanks, Kangana, for joining us. We'll be tracking that story as we have been all the way through.